Okay guys, bago mag-start ng vlog, shoutout sa The Good Manila. Yan yung Instagram nila tsaka phone number. Ito yung sobrang panalo nilang lasagna. O, tingnan nyo. Tapos ito naman yung parang roast pork ba nila? Sobrang sarap. Here at Greenbelt, sasilip tayo sa Louis Vuitton. Kasi meron daw mga sneakers in my size. So check natin siya. And let's see if we get to buy something interesting or something nice. Mga pala kung di pa kayo nagsusubscribe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow nyo na rin ako sa IG, tsaka Facebook, pati TikTok. Nakalink lahat yun sa baba. So we're back here in the condo. So today's episode, it's actually my last unboxing on this channel before I fly out to the US. So I have a bunch of stuff na gusto ko i-unbox with you guys. Marami dito pinadala lang, yung iba regalo, yung iba binili ko like the one that I bought from Louis Vuitton. Those are the shoes that I'll be wearing to the special event that I'm going to na ikukwento ko sa inyo in a bit. We have a couple of bags. So simulan na natin kasi marami tayong bubuksan. So tara, mega unboxing time. Okay, baka naman sabihin niyo sneaker channel, Carlo, pero wala kang bina-unbox na sneaker. So this is something that I ordered from Adidas. Buksan natin. Sobrang excited ako. Alam ko na kung ano to. This is a sneaker that I've had my eye on ever since. Wala akong mahanap na size ko locally. Wala siyang size 13. Pero meron pala sa website. Guys, this is the sneaker, signature shoes of my favorite NBA player in my size sa wakas. This is the sneaker of Trae Young. Always remember when they doubted you. Tingnan nyo yan ha. Always remember when they doubted you. You should always have the audacity to believe in yourself, guys, when everyone else doubts you. Yan ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanting natutunan ko in life. Pag maraming hindi naniniwala sa iyo, ang kaisa-isang pwedeng tumulak sa iyo to become successful is you. Okay? Trae Young, size 13. Trae Young 1. Panalo. And it suits my favorite colors. I usually just wear a black shirt and jeans. So, sobrang bagay ito. So, dadaling ko to sa US. Definitely one of my shoes that I'll be wearing. So, panalo. Whew. Okay, we have something here from our good friends, Urban Traveler. Shout out to Hans. Kung di nyo alam, sobrang fan ako ng mga everyday carry tech bag. So, this is from Bellroy, one of the brands that they have. This is their tech kit. Tech kit. So maganda yung cover, ang ganda ng pakiramdam. As in super nice. Buksan natin to. Ayan makita nyo? Yan lahat ng pwedeng gadgets na pwede natin lagay, from the power bank, to the cables, to siguro SD cards, to a stylus or a pen, passport, pwede. So parang ito na yung gagamitin kong carry-on, I guess, tech kit ko. So thank you, Urban Traveler. Han, shout out to you, bro. All the love to you and your team. Next up, this is an art toy that I ordered from one of my favorite Filipino artists. Her name is Clarice. Ang cute to. Para siya natutunaw, guys. Oh my God, that bear looks so sad. So anyway, we have her signature over here. This is number 7, series of 2022. Clarice, maraming salamat. I will always be a fan of your work. Good luck and congratulations on all the success. You deserve it. Boom, ito naman from our good friend Bon David. So si Bon is one of my friends in the NBA cards as well as the sneaker game. So ito, sobrang gandang deal. Tingnan nyo to. This is one of the last bags na dinesign ni Virgil na sobrang nagustuhan ko. So it is a small clutch bag. You have this signature chain ni Virgil that he used for a lot of his work with LV, Louis Vuitton. And yeah, ganda siya tingnan. Ganda pa ng quality. Talagang inalagaan to ni Von. Kaya gustong-gusto ko bumibili sa kanya Sobrang ganda. Oh, I've got my Kobe Bryant card from him also. So yan. Bon, salamat brother for the excellent deal on this one. Ito pala guys, na-unbox ko na. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So this is actually a gift from the wife. Linagay pa niya initials ko. This from Tumi. This is their body bag. And the reason why she picked it for me, apart from bagay siya for a travel, is that it has my favorite color combination of black and orange. So, Mrs., maraming salamat. Thank you for this amazing gift. Isa pang regalo. So, maraming salamat. Woo! Dior. So, ito yung Dior 1. Tawag ko sa kanya. Hindi ito yung Dior Jordan 1, ha? Kasi wala akong budget for that, eh. So, this is a low-cut sneaker from Dior. Nakuha natin to from Dior over at Greenbelt. Ganda, oh. Gray-white. Mukhang Jordan 1. Tapos you have that super familiar Dior pattern along the side panels of the shoe. Ganda. Winner. Such a nice sneaker, no? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you think of this sneaker as well as the other sneaker that I just showed you a couple of minutes ago. Last but not the least, ito yung binili natin sa LV. So kaya ako pupunta actually sa US. Meron akong pupuntahang wedding. So it is the wedding of the sister of my wife, Lindsay. So yan, oh. So medyo casual siya. So I wanted to get nice white sneakers. So nagulat ako na merong gantong sapatos si LV. And mas lalo ako nagulat na they had it in my size. Kasi they never have shoes like this in my size, eh. So talaga medyo na mind blown ako nung nakita ko, what? May size kayo ko? Tas triple white, tas sobrang gaan. Ang lapad pa, oh, perfect for people with wide feet. Kita niyo yan? Sobrang alam mong ginawa para sa akin, eh. Malapad. Si Virgil gumawa. Magaan sa paa. Sa size ko. Win! O, diba? Winner, oh. Sobrang... What? Ang ganda! 2 thumbs up! Whew! Pinawisan ako dun, ah. Actually, guys, I just realized this might not be my last unboxing before I leave kasi I still have a bunch of sneakers in the other room in my YouTube studio. And I have watches, limited edition watches from Batman and Police that I will be unboxing very soon. Pero for now, yan muna. So, last thing before we end, kwento ko lang sa inyo so ano yung mga naging experience so far in preparing for this flight. Medyo nakakakaba rin, to be honest, no? Kasi it is the first time we're flying out again in the last few years since the pandemic. So yung last hurdle na lang namin is an RT-PCR test this Sunday, and after that, God willing, we get to fly out Monday. Excited ako sobra. Sobra talaga ako excited. It's been a while since I last traveled. It's been a while since I last saw the US. And there's so much that I want to do over there, and I'm just super thrilled. So yun ang ating episode for today. Very straightforward, ratsyada unboxing lang. Dami tayong binuksan, dami tayong chinek out. Pasensya na, medyo pawis at magulong buhok. I'll have a haircut actually tomorrow before I fly out. So guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you're all doing fine. As usual, stay safe, stay blessed, stay awesome, stay healthy. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.